All right, this is our Midwest log furniture bed. Came really rough. It's got a huge crack right there that's gonna be hard for sheets and mattress to get caught on. Everything is really rough. I mean, you literally have to go sand every piece of this before you stained it. Huge splinter and crack right there. You can see that dowel looks okay. This one is kind of chewed off. I'm not going to meet up right. If you try to line this up, the holes don't match up. This thing is already screwed in. You can see the screw right there. So I would have to take the screws out, loosen that up to get these holes to match up. This ladder, I don't know if you can tell, but that first dowel right here is at least like 1 inch off. There's a hole for the cross beam to hold the mattress slats up right here. There's no hole drilled there, so I would have to drill my own hole. Again, everything is really, really rough. You can tell, like, it doesn't just need to be stained. It's gonna need sanding everywhere. Where's that piece go? That piece goes right
on the bottom.
On the bottom, on which side?
Right here.
That piece of it. This piece doesn't line up either. So if you notice, again, this piece, these holes don't line up at all. Again, this is screwed in. You can see how rough this is. I don't see why they think that this is just unfinished. This is not ready for stain. You have to go not only sand, but probably have to do wood filler on all these pieces. It's like chainsaw rough. Not only that, I mean, again, you got these big cracks. These dowels don't line up real well. Missing holes. I mean, just a huge amount of tear out. I contacted this company. They said I was gonna have to pay the shipping back and a 15% restocking fee if I wanted to send this back. This is a pretty heavy bed. I think I paid like $900 for it. If I paid for the shipping, I'd probably be out anywhere from $300 to $500 for the shipping because I don't have a commercial shipping account. They say they're gonna send me new pieces, but I mean, I don't know. I don't really want to go resand every piece on this bed. You can see if you're like putting sheets on and you just go stain this, you're gonna get sheets, foam mattress are gonna get caught on a lot of these spots on this mattress or this frame. So not happy with it. I'm gonna send them this video. They've requested to see what's going on and why these pieces don't match up. I should see if this piece lines up either. Again, I've seen some videos of other log bed manufacturers and the pieces just slide right in. You can tell like this piece kind of lines up, but you're gonna have to hammer it in. And even when I hammered some of these in and was prepared to get the ratchet straps, they aren't going in all the way. So I'd have to go back and literally shape some of these ends of these dowels down to get them to fit in these holes. So I'm not happy. Gonna submit this video to Midwest Log Furniture and see what they say.